Maruti Suzuki Dreamcatchers.
I am Irfan Pathan, CEO and co-founder of Particulate Innovations Private Limited. We have developed a retrofit device for reducing particulate matter emissions from vehicles and gensets at source and also ambient air. The carbon cutter is designed in such a way that it is compatible with every genset. We also customize solutions for customers basically. So if anybody wants to buy a carbon cutter, we can just install our machine besides the genset and it is just a plug and play model. We connect the exhaust of the genset to the inlet of the carbon cutter and then it is ready to work. So we convert the smoke into powder form, which is soot, which is black carbon, which can be later used to make paints or inks. The Honorable National Green Tribunal has issued an order in December last year that there has to be a retrofit device on gensets to curb emission at source, which was followed up by the National Clean Air Program. All the gensets which are existing now from above 125 kVA will need a retrofit, and hence we are one of the technologies which can solve this issue for the end consumer. There are vehicles in India which are more than 10 years old or 5 years old, which are doing a lot of emission. That product is, we have developed the product. We are now trying to test the product and get a guideline in place for retrofits for heavy vehicles also. There is a lot of emission that happens at a jaggery unit. We made a product for jaggery and we wanted to reduce emission at source, and we had installed one jaggery unit and we have got a lot of carbon out of it. We have done a pilot installation near Pune itself, and we are hopeful that we get better results in the next coming year. We have developed this repair, which is a filterless air purifier, which can be installed at public parks, at semi-open spaces, at metro station, at gardens. Since it is filterless, the product can run 24/7 and it will not get choked and it will give you clean air. We have tested the product with SGS and we have an efficiency report of more than 80% for the product. We are also in talks with the Pollution Control Board, the Central Pollution Control Board, to have a regulation around this product as well. Green Innovations basically is a cleantech company, and the main the ambition of the company is to stop pollution which is happening at source. And if we could substantially stop particulate matter emission at source, it becomes a very big contribution towards a greener and cleaner India.
Maruti Suzuki Dreamcatchers.